Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 50.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is moron. Friends, moron means a very stupid person. Its Hindi meaning is murkh. Now look at its sentence. He is an absolute moron. Its synonym is fool. The next word that I have for you is giggle. Giggle means laugh lightly. Its Hindi meaning is मूर्ख की तरह हंसना. Now look at its sentence. Both girls begin to giggle. Its synonym is sneer. Moving to our next word, groggy. Groggy means weak because of illness. Its Hindi meaning is madhosh. Now its sentence. The sleeping pills had left her feeling groggy. Its synonym is muzzy. The next word is vanish. Friends, vanish means disappear suddenly. Its Hindi meaning is gayab. Now look at its sentence. All your troubles will vanish away when he returns safely. Its synonym is dissipate. Look at our next word, dart. Dart means moved suddenly and quickly. In Hindi you can say daud kar jana. Now look at its sentence. She made a dart for the exit. Its synonym is rush. The next word over here is clambered. Friends, clambered means climbed with difficulty. Its Hindi meaning is कठिनाई से चढ़ना. Now look at its sentence. It was difficult to clamber the mountain. Its synonym is mount. Moving to our next word, askew. Askew means in a slanting position. Its Hindi meaning is tircha. Now look at its sentence. Her hat was slightly askew. Its synonym is tilt. The next word over here is panting. Panting means breathing with short, quick breaths. Its Hindi meaning is सांस चढ़ना या फिर हाँफना. Now look at its sentence. She was panting heavily. Its synonym is wheeze. The next word is lad. Lad means a boy or a young man. Now look at its sentence. The little lad was playing on the swing. Its synonym is boy. Last but not least is gingerly. Friends, gingerly means in a careful or cautious manner. Its Hindi meaning is सावधानी से. Now look at its sentence. Jack sat down very gingerly. Its synonym is delicately. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of idiot? A. Dart, B. moron, C. groggy, D. askew. Give me answer of this question in comment box.